So when we're creating our floor plans, our elevations and so on, we create that one single view. Like we have our ground floor plan, that's a view. Everything we do to that view is view specific. So then when we place it onto a sheet, all that information is with that view. So if I wanted to place my ground floor plan that I've placed onto my ground floor sheet, if I try and place it onto, say, the elevation drawing, I can't. So what I'll do is I'll go to my elevation sheet, which we need to name. So my ground floor view is already on the floor plans sheet. So if I now try and click and drag it on, I get this warning symbol. So it says that this view is already placed on sheet 200 floor plans. To place a similar view on a sheet, you can use the duplicate view or duplicate with detailing command to create a copied view. You can also use duplicate as a dependent command to create a new view that is tied to the original view, allowing you to split and crop these dependent views across multiple sheets. So what I need to do to create a duplicate of that ground floor is I'll go to the ground floor and right click, and there's my duplicate view. As well, you can select the view, and in the create panel, there's my duplicate views as well. So with the duplicate view, it will create a view that contains only the model geometry from the current view. So it will not include any annotations, dimensions, or details. If you make any changes to the original model, that view will automatically update as well. If you use the duplicate with detailing, it will duplicate not only the model, but it will also include all of those annotations, dimensions, and so on. Whatever changes you make to the duplicate with detailing view will not affect the original. If you use the duplicate as a dependent, it will duplicate the model with the text annotations and so on, but this view is dependent on the original view. So any changes made to this view or the original will take effect in both. So now if I select duplicate with detailing, I now get a duplicate view. In the project browser under the floor plans, there you can see is my duplicate view, and I can change it. So for example, I'm going to change it to a course. And now when I go back to my floor plans, I can click, drag and drop this floor plan onto the view. So now I have two views of the same model, both now independent of each other, because I've changed the view level to coarse on one and it has not taken effect on the other. So this is how we can place multiple views of the same model.